Hello everyone, today I will show you how to make this incredible interactable particle system. That will make your game more attractive, and that's really easy and codeless. So first, create an empty and attach it to your main camera. Right-click on it, then left-click on Effect and on Particle System. Go to the right panel and let's make some modifications. Pass duration to 10 and tick pre-warm, start lifetime to 10, start speed to 1. Click on the arrow next start size and choose random between two constants, and make it between 0.1 and 0.5. Change simulation space to world. And finally max particles to 1000. In emission, we need no modifications. In shape, we change the shape to hemisphere and the radius to 12. Select color by speed to change the color of stars when they go fast. In collision, we change type to world and bounce to 1.5. And we collide with player only. In texture sheet animation, we change mode to sprites and drag your sprite. For me it's gonna be a star. And finally, no modifications in renderer. Let's try it. It doesn't work. It's because I forgot to put 2D in collision. Let's try again. Here we are, it's working now. Let's change the size, just for fun and to see better how it's work. If this video was helpful, please like it and subscribe. I also recommend the platform game, Rabbit Raider. And I offer you the promo code YouTube1000, which will give you 1000 coins. All the links are in the description. And now, I leave you with the Rabbit Raider trailer.